keep saying or nah. Like, you on YouTube or nah? You gonna go to the store or nah? Your name Crystal or nah? You ugly or nah? Bitch cute or nah? That's your man or nah? Like, shut up or nah? Like, please. Like, what are you doing with your fucking life over there? Someone some oh or nah? Like, I mean, not gonna lie, I used to always say it. But now it's like, shut up. Like, people still saying it ridiculously. Like, what? Like, for example, well, I already gave you enough examples. But, like, even stupid stuff. Like, the TV is on SpongeBob. And you gonna come in here and say, you watch SpongeBob or nah? Clearly, if you hear SpongeBob or you see SpongeBob, it's evident that I'm watching fucking SpongeBob. Okay? Bob, like, for real. Shit be blowing me, Mo. Yo, I'm retarded. Fat face ass. That was embarrassing. Love, you're gonna love. Can't even hold it. Don't ask me why, but I had to do it. Like, that's just my part right there. Like, I just had to do it. You gonna hate? Go ahead. I just had to do it. I know I can't sing, but I just had to do it. Just had to do it. Just had to do it. All day, every day. Just had to do it. Up all night. Just had to do it. Got me up all night. I'm not even from the country. Why I'm not saying it like that? Anyways, all I'm singing is love songs. She got me up all night, constant drinking and love songs, drinking my Kool-Aid, you know, black people all day, Kool-Aid down or whatever. Hey, I'm gonna drink this, actually, because I'm feeling like a real G right now. Like, clearly, look, it's something in there, watch. Hold on. Oh, shit. I'm gonna put it on my napkin. Hopefully, oh, y'all can't, I don't know if y'all can see that, but look at that, look at, and that's not like a nosebleed or nothing. But yeah, I hope this shit don't go through. Shit, it went through and it got on my fucking pillow. Why the fuck would you do that, Crystal? Why the fuck? And then I dropped it. What the fuck? But I will. It's sour, but not that sour. You want some? Y'all can have some. Cause y'all my YouTubers, my little 10 little subscribers. That's what's up. Alright, let me stop. Lord have mercy. I'm gonna tell my mother I'm bleeding. I'm gonna be like, Ma, my nose bleeding. And I won't even get nosebleeds. I'm be like, you take me to the hospital. I love it when you call me Big Papa. Peace out, though.